I've been in healthcare technology long enough that we're not going to actually talk about how long I've been in healthcare technology. But I've worked with companies like Cerner, with Omnicell. Along my journey, KLAS has always been a big part of kind of how it's almost the mirror as a vendor that we use to look at ourselves. And from that perspective, I think KLAS serves a really important role. I also know from the provider perspective, they provide really important insights into a plethora of technologies.
I think KLAS really serves a critical role in terms of bringing everybody together. I think this event is one example of that, bringing together different constituents. You have payers, you have providers, you have bankers, you have vendors, and bringing us all together and talking about topics that we can all agree upon and how we can make it move forward.
I love coming to this event every year because it brings together all of the key stakeholders in the HCIT ecosystem. And so you get your provider perspective, you get your vendor perspective, you have investors, you have the members of KLAS. And so all of these different cohorts come together and you just get to look at problems from every specific angle. And you get to do that in a very unique and beautiful setting and a more intimate setting than I think what a lot of us are accustomed to with other conferences.
I've been a fan of the KLAS initiatives, the KLAS researchers, the KLAS information for a long time. I honestly don't start too many of my vendor negotiations without coming to KLAS and saying, what are you guys seeing? Because I trust the vendor partnerships that you guys have, gathering that information so that I don't have to do all that homework.
Yeah, I've had the fortune of interacting with KLAS for a number of years now, and I continually am impressed by the thought and the collegiality that they bring to our industry in bringing thought leaders together, but also the thoughts that they put into the environment to get us to start thinking about how we can collectively move our industry forward. I think they provide an invaluable service to helping healthcare and healthcare technology move forward.
I would say I think KLAS serves a key role in that they are third-party, independent of health systems and vendors and other players in that space. They're not a sponsor, they don't take sponsorships, they ask the hard questions, they bring people together. They have a true focus on making healthcare better for our communities and the people that we serve. And I think it's necessary to have that independent third person or third party as we evaluate ourselves, as we challenge each other, as we look to how to solve the opportunities for the many challenges that we have here in healthcare.